mixed it up by saying hi.
Ooh.
So there's no video from us this week because jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle. You've got it. Have you guessed why? We're doing Vlogmas.
Yay!
Yay! So we've been busy preparing stuff and doing stuff for it. So therefore, we haven't had time to film a video for today.
Yep. Super busy, but it'll all be worth it hopefully.
Yes. So the first Vlogmas will be on Tuesday, the 1st of December, and we're going to be doing it one every other day. So not every day because we don't have the time for that. So every other day you'll be able to see us in December doing all sorts of Christmassy things.
Yep.
What have we got to look forward to?
Well, there's a mixture of vlogs and crafts. Ooh, all made by the wonderful Caroline.
I try.
So yeah, it's sort of like mixing every day between vlogs and different sort of things you can do throughout December, getting ready for Christmas.
How exciting. So, without further ado, click subscribe, hit the notification bell if you fancy it. Head on over to Instagram and follow us over there because why not? And we will see you on Tuesday for day one of Vlogmas.
Yay!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!